a woman filmed her own front door, not to catch an intruder, to prove someone was knocking from inside her house. Every night, 3:14 a.m. She lived alone. This story contains horror, suspense, and frightening events. If you are easily disturbed or uncomfortable with this type of content, please leave the video or stop watching. But if you enjoy mysteries and stories with no clear answers, stay until the end. Leave a like, share the video, and comment what you would do. And if you're new to the channel, subscribe. We call her Wren. That's the name in the file. A quiet house outside Spokane. 6 years, no incidents. Just her dog, and a doorbell camera facing the street. One morning, she found something wrong in the footage. 3 soft knocks, time-stamped, audible. But the outside camera showed nothing. No person, no shadow. The knocking wasn't coming from outside. It was coming from behind the door, from inside her own hallway. Neighbors saw no one, so she installed a second camera, facing the door from inside the house. She wanted to see who was knocking on a door from a side no one could reach without walking past her bed first. She didn't sleep. 3:14 a.m., the knocks returned. And on the new footage, the doorknob turned, slowly, on its own. Wren froze at the top of the stairs, watching her own doorknob rotate in the dark. Then it stopped. Then, faint on the audio, a voice. Calm. Almost gentle. You're not supposed to be awake yet. She didn't leave her room until sunrise. Police were skeptical until a detective noticed something. Every knock, 11 nights straight, hit at exactly 3:14 a.m. Not 3:13, not 3:15. He pulled old records for the address. 7 years earlier, at 3:14 a.m., that house had placed a call to the fire department. Cut off after 4 seconds. No fire found, no caller ever identified. Wren wasn't the first owner. She was the fourth. 3 families before her had each left within 2 years, citing personal reasons. Each had filed the same complaint before moving out. Knocking, at night, from inside a locked door. This wasn't about Wren. The detective pulled the original blueprints. The house once had a second front door, a service entrance, sealed and drywalled over decades ago. Its exact location? Wren's hallway, directly behind her current front door. For nearly 30 years, something may have been knocking on a door that technically no longer existed, sealed inside the wall, with nowhere left to go. Before moving out, Wren had the audio professionally cleaned. Beneath the knocking was something else. 2 sets of breathing. One slow, matching the knocks. One fast, shallow, afraid. As if 2 things were behind that sealed door. One of them knocking, the other trying to get away from it. The case was filed under a category investigators privately call unresolved residential. It's still open. Wren never learned who made that call 7 years before she arrived. She never learned what was breathing beside the thing that knocked. On her last night, packing boxes at 3:14 a.m., she heard 4 knocks instead of 3. one more than ever before. As if it finally knew she was leaving and wanted to come with her. Ren left the house, but the mystery behind what happened there was never solved. To this day, no one knows who or what was knocking on the door at exactly 3:14 a.m. Even more disturbing were the two sets of breathing heard in the recording. One belonging to whatever was knocking on the door, and the other sounding terrified. So the question remains, what was really behind that wall? And who was knocking on a door that no longer existed? Maybe we'll never know the answer. But if you want more unexplained mysteries and unsolved cases, like the video, share it, comment your theory below, and subscribe for the next case.